So another magnificent morning in Alpha Wave Trader Trading Room, reminding you Fibonacci levels are crucial to your understanding of the market. Every single support and resistance level in the market structure is not random. It is precise and clear and formed by Fibonacci levels. We came to the markets this morning in awe of the collapse on oil. In our day trading room, I demonstrate the method with key chart hourly. My bias remained only long. Oil gave you spectacular buying opportunity pre-market. By the time we came to the open at 9:30, bullish rally was overextended. We allowed oil to collapse and we looked to buy oil. Currently oil is 60 ticks later in profit, but we know extremely well this is crucial level to the upside. And this is precisely what we're monitoring for with trail on oil at 50.52. Very, very close. And here is our trade on S&P. Our trade on S&P almost 4 points later wrong from 2091.75, struggling to break through reversal zone to the upside. And why in the world was I buying S&P? Because I know my short trend was exhausted. Because I named my Fibonacci levels reversal zone. We do not ever short into these levels. We only look to buy. If you ever disrespect reversal levels, you are in for surprise of a lifetime. You are trading with success rate of 20%. This is the only thing we will ever do is buy, buy, buy. And that's precisely why my bias on S&P remained bullish. And that's precisely why yesterday FOMC trading was such magic. Just to remind you, market flew instantly. And I said, you have to be out of your freaking mind to buy. I will allow S&P to collapse and I will look to buy as low as possible. We've done that. But guess what? Our bias yesterday remained bullish. Our bias pre-market on FOMC was so much better as we were buying at 2090. Reminding you the power of knowledge and the power of Fibonacci levels never gets old. So, let's see what S&P will do. Reversal zone is in, trail at 2092.75. Will our trade on S&P blast through all the reversal levels? Then my trade migrates into hourly chart. The trade I'm on has no time attached to it. I have about 35 charts open between oil and S&P. Where I see a trade, I take it. Exact same knowledge you use when you trade stocks monthly. Exact same formula was used on this trade on Amazon weekly, where buy was very, very powerful and very classic and very clean at 285. Very, very classic and very clean. My favorite screenshot of all times is Euro weekly. I will remind to you where Euro is heading to. Euro is heading to 1000. That's why I love to keep an eye on Euro every single day. And guess what? 1000 on Euro is not going to be the end. Oil blasted through our hourly levels, traders, with trailing carefully. How magic is the price? Don't ignore 51. If you're an oil trader, you know extremely well what it means. And if you don't, you have a lot to learn about oil. But more than anything, I would like to remind to you all the levels spelled out on oil since 2011 on monthly. Short on oil from 106. Using exact same formula you just witnessed me take on a very short time frame on oil. This is the most crucial month on oil since 2011. We know exactly what to monitor for. In a few weeks we will find out if this is bullish rally that to be taken with very big respect when it comes to monthly charts. We also know extremely well, as I've been always telling you, only look to buy near this level. Don't ever short into it. Using exact same formula as you witnessed on oil hourly. Price moves in exact same sequence. Doesn't matter if it's monthly, doesn't matter if it's 1 minute, doesn't matter if it's Amazon, ETF, stock, Forex, price is exactly the same each and every time. Only you know what to use, which instrument and which time frame. All you have to do is play by the rules. Course fee is going up as of this weekend. Heads up. I'm beyond excited about Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp next month. Stay tuned. Last few spots at current fee. Fee is going up. Buy. Actually, my support is closing this afternoon. So everything will be updated as of 2 p.m. on this Thursday. We'll be out of oil. We're out of oil, ladies and gentlemen. Again, it pains me that we are in reversal zone. I'm seeing short trades everywhere, but I'm not interested in shorting oil because I know success rate 20%, we have no interest in achieving. We're only interested in trading with at least high 80 to mid 90% success rate. And that's a reminder. Do not ever disrespect minor trend. Never, ever, ever enter into it. Will S&P succeed and blast through? It will fly to here. If Euro will blast through and not stage spectacular rally, it will fly to here. And then to here. And that's the most magical chart of all times. Sick and tired of being poor American when traveling. It will no longer be the key for years to come. Potentially, 5 to 10 years will be enjoying international travel. When it comes to dollar. When it comes to violence, that's another thing. Be extremely careful when traveling nowadays with American passport, because as always, we are the ones to blame for everything that goes wrong in this world. So here we are an hour later on this trade on S&P. S&P is still stuck at reversal zone. Oil news is out. We have twice as much supply of oil as we need. Shocker. It means oil should collapse in price. But oh no, our buyers remain bullish since early this morning. And here is this bullish rally blasted through 51. Picture perfect reminder. News is worthless. Any fundamental will forever be worthless if it contradicts the price. I've learned that lesson in 2008 when I stayed in my magnificent stocks thinking, how can they collapse if the fundamentals are so fantastic? Reminder, price does not care about fundamentals whatsoever. And oil just reminded you that. Oil is heading up, up, up. Next level 52, all the way to 52.49. Right now I will allow oil to settle down. Here it's oil, reminding you. We always ignore everything that oil does the first 5 minutes. Again, if I'm shorting oil, it's extremely aggressive trade because we are at reversal zone traders. But that's how magical the price is. Fundamentals are worthless if price contradicts them. And that's a reminder each and every time. Knowledge is power! Anybody wants to short oil on bearish news? But this first step is first. Here's a trade on oil. Reach decision point 2. How magical is price? Bearish news is worthless again and again and again. Magic of the price never ceased to amaze me. Another bearish news, and once again we're trading against it because we know what reversal zone means. We also know to take a bit of a pause at this level and then at this one. If oil blasting through this rally will be phenomenal. It's heading to 54. That's simple. Never ever ignore when price correlates with hourly levels. And that's the magic. And that's what I will be teaching tomorrow in Fibonacci class. So let's update the results on oil. That was our trade number 40. Out of 40 trades, 35 positive. And you witnessing that 27 trades made it to reversal zone. You're witnessing the importance of moving your stop to break even and trailing and let your trade rip. But do not ever ignore hourly levels. And here is S&P at 2098.25. We've been in this trade from 2091.75. Almost 8 points later. Just few more ticks. Will the seller step in with vengeance? I don't know. I just know to pay attention to Fibonacci levels. I know that everything else background noise. I know that price is magic, and I know that everything preset in price far in advance. Nothing else matters. So, it's all in front of you. All you have to do is play by the rules. Our trade on oil on reverse off, blasting through reversal zone 3. Remember, I said oil blasting through this level, it's heading to 52.49. Adjust your trail outside of reversal zone. S&P is 7 points later at reversal zone as well. Key moment. I would be floored and shocked if sellers will not step in on S&P. Witnessing playing out in front of you. Historic level 2100. So here we are on S&P. Many points later. And here we are on oil. Many ticks later. Expect a pullback. But you have to be out of your mind to short oil. Major trend is bullish. That's all there is. But again, ideal buy on oil was at the bid open. We've been buying a bit late. We've been struggling with 51 immensely. And that's the power of the price. So again, those are the results we accomplished so far this month. I don't plan to take any more trades. I'm bombarded with phone calls and emails, and I have a lot of education to do to review the markets. So again, so far this month we had done 40 trades on oil, 35 trades reached at least decision point 1. I love demonstrating my method when we take counter trend trade. I say, watch this. You want to be counter trend trader, you better respect decision point 1. Price blasted through decision point 2 and made it to reversal zone. Reminding you, trail carefully. And here is the selling pressure on oil as we're witnessing as we speak. And here is S&P. Our trade currently at reversal zone. Out 23, 21 positive. And as I always say to my students, you want pain-free trading? Exit decision point 2. You do not take counter trend trades, your success rate is even higher. And this is the same formula you can apply to any instrument and any time frame. This is the same formula I had shown you on Amazon Weekly. Adore and respect reversal zone. This is the same formula I had shown you where you had the beautiful buy on Amazon recently. But you don't want to buy anywhere near 400. This is exact same buy as I had shown you on Rig Weekly. Formula remains the same. All you have to do is play by the rules. So adios everybody. Off to my beautiful, amazing students. The course starts from scratch on Monday. Fibonacci class tomorrow. If you choose to start this afternoon prior to 2 o'clock, you will still be honored current fee for the group session of $29.77. We're meeting each and every day at 9:15 EST. 8 weeks is overkill. 10% of the students master everything on the first class. 80% of the students master everything within 4 weeks. 8 weeks designed for those students who need time off, get sick, need to miss few days. If you need to take a vacation or time off, it's never a problem to restart the course. Key classes are Friday and especially Monday. Monday you learn the basic 4 rules for every trade entry. The moment you sign up, you have access to the manual and modules, and you prepare for monthly class. Oops, support already changed the price. That's a problem. That's iffy currently. He a little bit rushed. So I promise you, if you still want to sign up before 2 p.m., I will honor 29